What's going on, traders? Welcome back to another recap video. Man, I'm actually a little red today. We were out in the sun, hanging out with the missus on this beautiful Monday. Let's go ahead and dive into the computer. We are up 6% on this position, almost 3% on the day on MSTZ. We'll talk about that in just a second, but what I want to do is give you guys a market update here. As you can see, markets were very choppy toward the beginning of the day. If we kind of zoom in here, you can see at one point it was very bullish, pushed up to 608, came back down and tested 603, went back up to 606, and we captured this all live in our Learn to Earn live day trading session this morning with the team. You guys can always watch our live day trading sessions at Market Open anytime by clicking the first link in the description below. It is 100% free lifetime access. Now, we did watch this until about, I want to say till about like 8:50, somewhere around here, 8:50, almost quite 9 o'clock. We were on our live stream for about an hour and a half today. And I seen a lot of consolidation. Now, I was hoping that this would drop below $600, and it did. It pushed below $600, breaking the support level very nicely down to $599, and then pushed up back to 601. And now we're seeing it actually after hours at around 601.89. So just around 602. So this actually broke through our alerts. So let's go ahead and bring our alerts down. Now we could see a continuation to the downside by tomorrow. So I'm excited to see if this actually continues selling off, or is this going to find support around that 599 and begin to push up. Anything could happen, and we're excited. I'm excited to do it again tomorrow. Locking in, $81 today. Very nice. So let's go ahead and talk about the VIX. The VIX index is up to 21. Now remember, when the VIX index is above 20, that means the market is more likely to sell off, and it creates more volatility in the market as well. And we saw that today very clearly. Market closed at 21 for the volatility index for the VIX, VIX. And let's go ahead and talk about Bitcoin real quick before we talk about our trade. Bitcoin also was hovering right around this level this morning. At 7:30 when the market opened, we saw a swift little dip down to 65, popped back up to 66, and then this is right around the area where we ended that live stream. We're hoping to see some continuation to the downside, and we did. We've seen it sell off all the way to 64,000, actually 63,878. So this sold off a lot more than I thought, breaking that support right around 64,000, which means we're at a new support level of, I'd say 64,350. Now you could say 63,800. So we can go ahead and draw another support level right down there if you want to do a double support. And we're gonna have to bring our alerts down. I'm gonna bring this down to about 64.6. If it goes below that, then we could see some more continuation to the downside, and around 65.4. Now remember, it was trading within this range for the majority of the day. Had a nice big sell-off last night in our Sunday stock talk, and we also did a giveaway. We had a lucky winner win $25 gift card, and we will be doing giveaways probably every Sunday for the next probably few Sundays, who knows, until I decide just to stop doing it. So tune into those weekly Sunday stock talks. We also locked in over $170 last night during our Sunday stock talk. We were able to lock in some real money there. So as you can see here though, Bitcoin did sell off to 63,878, now pushing up. We had that crossover here with the blue 45 EMA crossing over the 200-day moving average, showing that it is bullish, at least for the short term. Again, selling off though. I love to see this selling off. It can come down to 60,000. So I'd love to trade this again if it begins to show signs of selling pressure. Now, let's go ahead and talk about our MSTR short. We did short MSTR today. It pumped up in the early open to 128, sold off to 126, recovered back to 130, right there at that resistance level, came all the way back down to test support, and actually broke through support all the way down to 122, guys. 122, showcasing a new area of support down to 122.83. Now sitting at 124.31 for the overnight hours, but doing very well, getting rejected. down to 120 all over again. Now this is area where some people will buy a long position to the upside for MSTR, but I believe this can continue to sell off. I'm not sure how low it can go, but I'd love to see it sell off even more. It's a little bit choppy though. You know, this is an area of support, like I said. So anytime it gets to this level, it usually will shoot up pretty aggressively back up to that 136 mark and let's wait and see it push up to 136, get up to this high, and then we can short it again when we need to. And as you can see, guys, I want to show you guys some of that proof in the pudding. We've actually been shorting MSTR by using MSTZ. It's a double leverage inverse ETF, and we've been shorting this since December 5th. We took out almost what, 2 to 5, I'd say it's probably closer to $500 in December and just shy of $500 in January. And God, I think we just crossed over $400 or $500 for February. So we've already pulled out over $1,500 by trading the exact same company over the last 3 months, which is insane. It's incredible. I missed this rally up to 31, then it sold off, and then we started trading it again. So let's go ahead and talk about that trade today. As you can see here, we sold a few shares up here at 14.23, which is right at the tippy top of this high for MSTZ. Now, what I would have loved to have done was, of course, hold, but we locked in a few profits right here. It sold off down to 13.41. It started consolidating around this moving average, so I didn't really like that. I figured I'll just get rid of a few more shares, so I sold another 20 shares at 13.96, another 10 at 13.94, and then right here, I seen it beginning to push up, and I was comfortable enough with my 6% profit on the trade that I was just going to lock in profit. So I sold all of my shares right here around 14.15, 14.11, 14.10, and I was happy with it. Unfortunately, guys, I actually missed out on a big move to the upside. 14.93 is the high that it went up to today, which was just beautiful. That could have literally been another 6% very easily from lows of 14.10 to highs of 14.93, 6%, another 80 cents per share, and I had 100 shares during that live stream. So that would have been another $80. This could have very easily been another $160 day. We just recently had a $179 day and continuing to make money. So a great start to the beginning of this week. MSTZ pushing up. Now, can it push higher? Technically, yes, it can push higher. It is very bullish. It is above this moving average, but at the same time, you know, a lot of resistance is right around $15. So $15 seems to be a pretty significant resistance level, as you can see here, touching this point, and this point, and getting rejected. Doesn't mean that it can't go higher. We can see highs of $16, $17, and even crazily enough, $20, $23, $31 is definitely in sight if Bitcoin and the overall market begin or continue to sell off. So I just wanted to give you guys my recap. We did a great job today by following direction, by managing our risk, and by knowing when to take profits. Now, of course, we didn't take profits at the tippy top of this move, but at the same time, I had a lot of stuff going on today, so I wanted to make sure that I got out of the trade. I didn't spend too much time watching the computer. Me and my wife went out, we spent some money, we had a good day together, we got to eat some lunch together, do some shopping, and overall just enjoy the day. Now we're looking at 3 o'clock, kids are home, and we can relax knowing that we locked in a significant amount of money last night during our Sunday stock talk and today. So we are already up over $250 in less than 2 days of work. So not bad for clicking some buttons in the stock market, guys. And remember, if you guys want to watch me trade live as soon as tomorrow, click the first link in the description below, and that'll give you 100% lifetime access, 100% free lifetime access, and you can watch me live day trade as soon as tomorrow. So thank you guys. I'd love to see you guys winning. We also had some people in the Discord win as well, so I'm going to actually bring that up real quick because I think that's important, right? Not only showing my wins, but showing our LTE team also winning and doing a great job winning as well. So right here we had, let's go to profits chat. We had someone lock in $72 last night, or this morning at 5:33. We had another person lock in $52 last night during our Sunday stock talk. That was $72 this morning at 5:30 in the morning too. Imagine making 72 bucks before most of the world is even awake. There's my profits from yesterday, $179 from last night. There we showed again another $81, which you can see right there. And then if we go to trade recaps, we had a few people also trade this morning too. Let's see, where was it at? Wow, we have actually a lot of people talking in the chat room today, but nonetheless, we do have people winning, making money, locking in profits, and I love to see our team winning as well, making sure that they also manage their risk, know when to lock in profits, and it's a great community to join if you want to learn more about how to trade in the stock market and be more consistently profitable. Also, there is a video I believe you guys should watch. If you haven't watched it already, I highly recommend that you do watch it, okay, guys? This is where I'm going to end this video right here. I highly recommend you guys watching the #1 trading secret you need to know, talking about risk reward ratios as well as win rates. And I'm going to give you guys another one, support and resistance, a simple and powerful strategy that I use on a daily basis. And consider smashing this like button and subscribing. Hit that little notification bell because I will also be doing a video on trend lines very, very soon. So you guys will actually be able to see a video on my trend lines as well. And you guys weren't actually able to see that because I wasn't sharing my screen. So, yeah. So with that said, basically, I do apologize about that. Excited to be here. I'll show you the Discord one more time. It's like I'm talking and then I forgot to put the video where I wanted it to go. So here we go. Trade recap. This person right here is up $700 in January, $249 in February. Let's see. Yeah, sorry I didn't share the screen there, guys. He made $73 on the 23rd, which was today. Also in the profits chat room, that's the win I had, the $179 from last night. The $81 I just mentioned. $52 for one of our members as well last night. And then right here it shows that PDIE, he made $72 this morning at 5:30. We also have just a lot of people talking in this community, so you can definitely join if you feel so. And yeah, my video actually got a little bit long because I wasn't sharing my screen, unfortunately. And I want to show you that thumbnail real quick. There's a thumbnail, the #1 trading secrets you need to know, risk reward ratios, and then the simple and powerful strategy, resistance and support levels, guys. So thank you for your time. Thanks for hanging out with me during these live streams, and consider joining the Discord. Later, guys.